Today I'm going to be watching a sketch from a Norwegian comedy show that I've not seen before. It's called Three Brothers Who Aren't Brothers, I believe. And it features Atle, Antonsen, Harald, and someone else. I never knew the name of the third comedian, but please tell me if you know. And this is called Kimslek for Voksne. So yeah, tell me if you've seen this show before. Tell me what you think about it. If you know of any other good sketches from it, please recommend them as well. This won the Nordic Boy Scout Conference from 2005 in Norway. Let's watch.
I have a non-smoking room. I can have a waiter card.
Preben, i helvete! Jeg har ikke sett deg siden du vant Kimslek.
Hei, må dere roe litt ned, gutter.
Kristoffer!
Hele gamla Kimslek.
All the big Scandinavian TV channels.
Här är jag också. Nu är hela Kimslek-gänget på plats.
Is this like a parody of something that really happened, like a real show, a real moment? Tell me what this is. And do those TV networks ever collaborate to make any TV shows or anything?
Sluta nu, jag är för gamla för de jävla barnlekarna.
Hva vi spiller Kimslek for voksne?
What is Kim's game?
Ja, men se på oss, da. Vi er vellykka 30-åringer. Vi har alt. Hus, bil, båt, penger. Men hvis man fjerner én ting fra livet ditt, vil du legge merke til det? Og ikke minst, vil du tåle det? Det er Kimslek for voksne.
Kimslek. So is this a game in Norway or Scandinavia?
Preben?
Kristoffer.
Like kind of like dramatized it, but
La Kimslek begynne.
Skulle mötes till foajét, men jag gick i lobbyen. Jag blandar ihop lobby och foajé.
De var gamle venner som ville ta en siste runde med Kimslek for voksne.
Nu, Preben. Nu ska jag ta bort en sak från dig. Nu ska vi se om du uppdager vad jag har tagit bort.
Stenåke.
Kristoffer!
Leken over, Stenåke.
Väldigt bra, Kristoffer.
Kristoffer, nu ska jag ta bort en sak från dig. Ditt eget liv.
Det er over! Leken er over! Stenåke! Kims lek er over!
Superbra, Kristoffer. Kristoffer!
Kimslek har just börjat.
Kristoffer!
Gissa vad som blir borta nu.
yeah, man, I would watch that. Like, what is this? I need to know more about Kimslek. I guess it is some sort of child's game, maybe in Norway or Scandinavia, but this is like so dramatic. Like the way they always do these sketches, they make them so like high production value, like very cinematic. This was like really like some sort of thriller movie, TV show, something like that, man. Got that high action, high drama. Very cool. I guess it's probably more relatable to people who have played this game or know of this game. Tell me more about it. And yeah, recommend more from the show. I've not seen this specific show before. I've seen Team Antonsen, but it's three brothers who are not brothers. Tell me more about it. Thanks.